Hey, it's Melissa with WTI. Are you looking for something that is going to be loads of fun for your little one? If so, you have to check out this adorable transportation truck. Just like any truck, it has a ramp. The vehicles come out. It houses 4 additional vehicles on this transportation truck. And check these little guys out. They're so fun to play with. Each of these trucks has a special feature that you can play with. This one has a little loader. This one has a cement barrel that spins. This one has a crane. And this one has a little front loader as well. So when you're playing with these trucks, the wheels also, when you push back on them, it'll go for you. So maybe your little one is tired of playing with the smaller vehicles on the inside and it's time for him to transport these vehicles somewhere else. Now, I don't know about you, but my little guy is a reckless driver, and check this out, because now my favorite feature, you have sound effects that go with that driving. I mean, really. It does it all. I mean, the lights that turn on are great. This little engineering vehicle is going to be so much fun for you and your little one. I know my little man loves to play with it, and that's my point of view.